Hello, welcome back everyone to Epic Adventures. Day 2 in Srinagar. And what are we doing today on this beautiful day? So we are exploring Srinagar. Yesterday we did a beautiful sightseeing at Gulmarg. What an amazing experience with family and friends. Lovely. Lovely to be here. And now on day 2, our first spot is to go to a famous temple, which is Jwala Mala Temple in Srinagar, or close to Srinagar. It's about 20 or 25 odd kilometers in a place called Crew, and we do want to definitely check out, and we'll get you some nice drone shots. So stay tuned. Let's keep moving. Let's enjoy this trip. See you all. Okay, there's a good number of steps that we need to climb. So let's get going. You can see the temple right at the top. I don't think it's too many steps, but it's always good to do some trek while you're on the trip, because you tend to eat a lot because you're outside, want to try local delicacy. In such cases, this becomes a calorie burning exercise. A holy cow in Jwala Mala Temple. Hi, Ba. We have covered 50% of the climbing. There's another 50% of the trek left. Jai Mata, Jai Jwalamaa. Okay, we've climbed almost there. Mata Jwala Ji Temple Crew. You can see the board. We have few more steps, but we are in the temple. Quite happy about this. Thank you, Jwala Mata. Thank you for giving an opportunity for us to be here. Alright, welcome back. We've reached the top of the Jwala Mata Temple. You can see it's not that crowded, but you can feel the energy. That's pretty much from the temple. Let's take a walk around. Go. @ Epic Adventures Official 2024. Okay, some new subscribers now. Okay, that's pretty much it from here. Signing off. See you at the next points. Hello, welcome back. So we just finished the Jwala Mala Temple and took a nice detour, and then stopped at a shop where we could buy dry fruits and kesar, Kashmiri kesar, Kashmiri milk, just exploring things out here. And now we are at a spot where we have stopped to look at how the Kashmiri Willow cricket bats have been produced or manufactured. So let's go and explore. Let's see how the bats are made, and we'll also pick 1 or 2 cricket bats. All right? Let's go. So this is the place which is called as Firdaus Sports FSI Bats, and this is the store. We are now getting into the manufacturing unit. Let's go in, take a look. So you can see these guys are packing it up so that they could send it to different cities. So here we can see Anand is now checking the bats. Not bad. It's good? Okay. Here you can see they're polishing the bats. See how the cricket bats have been stored here after polishing. So there's a lot of other parts of this manufacturing. First they cut, they do things. Now let's take a look at the one that is polished already, right? You can see this bat, this is quite heavy, and at this moment you can see It's just only stuck out here with Fevicol. Seems to look good. Okay, Anand will now explain us how this is manufactured, the processing is done. So I'll hand over to him.
Hello all, let me explain you how the bat processing is done over here and how is bat built over here, okay? So you see there are two pieces of it. One is the handle piece of it and one is the main body of this. The body is done with single wood and the handle is done with other wood. Then it is being shaped, cut into the bat form with a shape format that they have. So they grind it. This is a raw bat which they're grinding it right now. So the bat is being shaped accordingly, and once it is being shaped, the raw wood will then go for polishing and further processing over there. But if you see in the processing, you will find some defects over here, like there's a gap in the bat. I think this is not done properly, but there should be no gap. And they will still fill it with some material over here, with the wood material, but that is not going to be great. The perfect quality will be one which has a fine cut shape which goes into the V groove, and that is where the handle becomes very strong. Okay, so I can see this bat. This bat has about 1, 2, 3, 4, somewhere about 4 or 5 grains, which is medium to low bat. But if the grains are more, you would be able to find a high quality bat. Anything above 8 going to 10, 11 is a good quality bat. And if you see, it's a very heavy bat. This is not a light bat, it's a Kashmir Willow that they are preparing, and the raw wood is being taken from the trees directly. So let's see now, let's go to the shop, let's find out some bats, and let's try to explore a bit more over there, the finished bat of Kashmir Willow. Okay, now this is a semi-finished bat. Now you're able to see. Now if you see, the grains are much more over here, like about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's a good bat. Finishing bhi acha hai iska. However, I find this is a bit more good finish. But if you see here, the handle, the 2-piece, there's a filling done with extra wood material and with the glue or a Fevicol in it to make it strong. But we never know the durability unless it is properly knobbed. There could be chances that this could break at a handle. But however, the stickering is not done on this. This is a semi-finished. The stickering will be done later before it's being sold. It looks good, but however, if I would have to select this bat, I would just wait, because this filling might damage the bat, because it might crack at any time if you don't play it properly. And unless until you're a professional cricketer, maybe we would not select this bat at all. Let's look into other bats. Okay, so now we have got another bat. This is a good bat because if you see the handle, right, it's been done. A little bit of filling done here, but if you see, it is a single piece, a 2-piece one, and the filling is done only here. So it looks a bit good. And if you see the grains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 9 grains that I found. Good finishing, but there are some patches here and there. No, this is not a good finish, but still it's a better bat. But the thing is that unfortunately it's weighing 1300 grams, which I would not prefer to take. I would rather take something between 1160 to 1200 max, so that we'll be able to play proper shots. Okay.
All right, folks, thank you so much for tuning in and staying with me till here. So that's pretty much from this outlet, cricket bat outlet, where we saw and we also heard about the bats, how it's manufactured, how it's processed, and beyond that, the weight management, the grains, quite a lot of information that we learned. I hope you guys enjoyed. So that's it from this place. See you all at the next point or in the next vlog. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.